Hello everyone, this is my review of the RYOBI cordless impact driver. It is battery operated with an 18-volt battery that lasts pretty long. Here you can lock the trigger or change the direction of rotation of the tool. It has a light on the bottom as well. And the chuck here is spring loaded. Okay, let me put the battery in and show you that. Okay, the battery is in now, and you can see it spin and see that the light comes on the bottom. This tool is great to use in combination with your drill. If you're drilling holes, then you switch out and use this to screws in. I hope this review helped.